is Zabina. I am studying in 9th grade. Today my topic is about tissues. What are tissues? Tissues are the group of cells that have similar structure and functions. In tissues we have two kinds, plant tissues and animal tissues. Plant tissues are tissues that have a similar structure and function working together to perform a specific task within a plant. In plant tissues we have two kinds, meristematic tissues and permanent tissues. In meristematic tissues, again we have three kinds, apical meristem, intercalary meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. Now again in permanent tissues, we have two kinds, simple permanent tissue and complex permanent tissue. These tissues are made up of meristematic tissues and be permanent in the cell. In simple permanent tissues, we have again three kinds, parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. In complex permanent tissues, we have two kinds. Those are xylem and phloem. Xylems are commonly found in plants by transporting food and water. Animal tissue. In animal tissues, we have three kinds. That is epithelial tissue, muscular tissue and connective tissue. In epithelial tissue, there is squamous, cuboidal, columnar, ciliatex and glandular. Now again in muscular tissues are tissues that helps in contraction and relaxation. In muscular tissues again we have three kinds. Those are unstraightened muscles, straightened muscles and cardiac muscles. Connective tissue. Connective tissues is nothing but fluid and skeleton. In skeleton we have two kinds, that is usually bone and cartilage. The bone is nothing but our bones and cartilage is really found in nose and ears. Fluids are like bloods and lips. Thank you.